Yo, Crypto Pirate, getting ready to profit from the bear market of 2021. Ooh, it's a sunny day. Can't see anything. Oh. You're gonna... No, you're not gonna fly. There's no bull market anytime soon. It's a bear market. Don't you even think about flying. It's a bear market. Crypto bear market. No flying up. That comes later. I know. So here we are. Still early in the bear market, although the altcoins have taken a big dive. Oh, what's that? Bee buzzing. The altcoins have taken a big dive. Got triggered entry into XLM at 0.21. Raven coin at 0.042. A few others, but there's worse to come. So far, ETH and BTC are holding up. Oh, where you gone? Where you going? It's going back indoors. Where you going? Budgie coin. There's no bull market in Budgie coin. Yep, Budgie coin's gone.